In this video, we will be going over the Write Your Own Legend project. Please begin by putting your name and today's date on the front of your packet. It says, after reading the myths and legends of the people who could fly, King Midas, Arachne, Icarus and Daedalus, and Pandora, you will now be writing your own legend. At the beginning of this year, we described legends as stories that are loosely based on history and focused on a hero. You will be writing a legend and casting yourself as the hero. You will be inserting yourself into a historical event and writing the story of how you saved the day or writing about a plausible event in history. If you like, you may write your tale as if it is set in the time of ancient Greece or Rome and include fantastical creatures that the superstitious people of that time period believed in. Let's take a look at the basic outline of a myth. In a myth, a setting is introduced. Then, a problem is introduced. After the problem is introduced, there is an attempt to solve the problem, but it fails. Then, the hero, in this case you, enter the story. Then, you, the hero, announce your plan to solve that problem. Then the plan is carried out successfully and everything is concluded with a happy ending. For this activity, you will be completing a brainstorming web, pre-writing, something called deciding the details, a first draft, some sensory detail pictures, a second draft, you will be participating in peer editing, and the writing of a final draft.